The junction box acts as a central point where electrical wires come together and connect to form a circuit. Today we'll share diverse sizes and clever design of our standard junction box. We provide shallow junction box and deep junction box. The two types of junction box have 5 different entrance ways: 1 way, 2 ways, 3 ways, 4 ways, and right angle. And we offer sizes of 20mm and 25mm. We accept customization. Let me show you the innovative design of our junction box. The gap here helps the engineers open the lid easily with a screwdriver, improving efficiency and saving time of electrical installation and inspection. The unique small design on the lid, the groove will better help the engineer to locate and punch holes more easily. This will help to reduce measurement and positioning time as well as errors. Our junction box offers V0 fire rating, being self-extinguishing and UV resistant, providing durability and longevity even under harsh outdoor conditions. Designed for convenience and precision, our junction box is a good solution for electrical installation, which demands efficiency without sacrificing quality. That's all we shared today. Visit our website to learn more.